6 a.m. Sunday morning and it's time for some cold water therapy. Except we're not going to be using the traditional bath or indeed the shower. Come with me, I'll show you. This way. So here she is, a freezer full of chilly water. Over here we have a chlorine dispenser and we have a pump to circulate water. We also have a temperature gauge. 3.3 degrees inside there. So I know you noticed the pallet before, and that is for the outside shower next to garden hose. Hello! Before we get in the freezer, we want to rinse our body off to get all the dirt and muck off you. So in we get. Check the pressure out on this bad boy. Ooh, right, in we get. Now that alone is enough to wake you up, but that is a lot warmer than the cold plunge we're about to get into. That's about 9 degrees. The freeze we're going to get into, we've already seen, is about 3 degrees. So let's get back in there. So back we go to the freezer. We'll get in there and sit in here. Ooh, chilly. First things first, we need to unplug the freezer. So you don't get electrified. You can leave the pump running as that circulates the water nicely. And we'll leave that little chlorine dispenser in there as well. Right, in we get. So the biggest thing about getting into cold water is the procrastination. I don't want to get in, I'll do it tomorrow, I can't be bothered, who does that, what kind of nutter. The cold water is extremely good for you. The benefits of cold water, both mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually, are hugely beneficial to your brain, your body, your soul, and your spirit. But you've got to get in there. So, in we get. Woo! 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 Now we're in. Obviously I've got the phone in front of me, so I can only put one hand. Turn it inside. There's my little feet. Whoop, whoop. Very good for the muscles, very good for the mind. It is chilly. So, get those shoulders under and just try and relax. People have, put some air in my shorts. People have different breathing methods. Wim Hof breathing method. The idea is to slow your mind down, slow your breathing down, slow your heart rate down, and be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Just feel the sensation all over your skin. Embrace the cold. Scientific studies show that 11 minutes of cold exposure a week can be hugely beneficial to your mind, your body, your soul, and your spirit. So ideally, you only want to be in here a few minutes. So we'll just pause this, I'll do a few minutes, then I get out. In fact, I won't. We'll speed this bit up. So that has been 3 minutes. You can go longer, you can go colder, but the idea is to get yourself in the cold when you want to. Stop that procrastination, stop your mind defeating you, because the benefits of this are really, really good. Right, let's get out. chilly. Right, let's plug her back in, ready for next time. Ooh, she was chilly. Right, let's close her up. Out we go. And now we want to go back to the cold shower to get that chlorine off our body. So back in the cold shower, that's going to feel a little bit warmer because we've just been in the freezer, rinsed all that chlorine off us and set ourselves for the day. Wow, believe me, that feels a lot warmer than the freezer. Rinse yourselves off. What's that taking? A few minutes and you're set for the day. Woo! Thanks for watching. It's all about defeating your mind because the benefits for your body, your soul and your spirit are brilliant. Thanks for watching. When are you starting your cold plunge?